Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by importing your gacha sprites and arranging layers, character, pose copies, and a locked background. Once done, set project resolution to match your assets so movement stays crisp. You should immediately enable the keyframe timeline and drop an initial keyframe on position and scale for the first pose. Make sure to switch interpolation to linear for these starter frames so you can control easing later. This gets you into precise control without guessing. Then prepare the next pose layer for tweening. Now focus on the middle. Duplicate your pose layer and nudge it forward 4 to 8 frames to establish timing. You'll animate position, scale, and rotation between keyframes. Use Bezier handles to craft natural arcs rather than robotic linear motion. Once keyframes exist, select both and apply motion tweening to generate in between frames. Adjust tween strength and frame count to smooth or snap animation. Also animate opacity or mask points for subtle blinks or mouth changes. This layered approach prevents jitter and keeps limb. Finish by refining each keyframe's easing so motion feels intentional. Ease in for approach and ease out for stops. Preview playback at 30 to 60 FPS and tweak frame counts or Bezier handles until motion reads smoothly. When satisfied, group layers, render to MP4 or export transparent WebM for overlays, and set a reasonable bitrate to avoid banding. If you get jitter, make sure anchor points match across frames. Increase tween frames for smoother interpolation, and confirm consistent scale values to eliminate popping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.